Okay, 6 days, since we haven't recorded. I'm kind of sad. I'll be doing a pack opening in retro packs. Yay! See, I have 2.5 million coins, almost 2.6. I still got a lot of players. This is my few 17 players in form. Special cards, so I only packed. I'm doing a retro pack, 2 million. And I'll see you back until I get to the player. First pack. Who is it? Oh, dang. Busquets. Freaking bloody Busquets. Special. I mean, he at least got 16 special card. I'll be right back until I get at least a board drop with this one. Who's that? Julio Cesar. Bloody no one. Okay. I'll be back when I get someone decent. Okay, I paused it way too late. I got an Form 83 rated. I'll be decent. Another 16. Oh wait, not 17. I mean, come on. Get a board drop, Argentina, center back. Wow, absolute trash. Oh, yeah, at least get an inform, but he's not keeping. So I can tell you. Wow, not even a board drop. That's what I showed you guys this pack. 82. And now 2 forms. And a World Cup player. I'll be back until I get someone decent. Okay, next pack right after this. 2 World Cups. Decent. And then freaking 2 informs. 17, FIFA 17 inform. This is FIFA 17, 16. Other one. What the pack? We got 2 non-board drops in a row. So I can tell you, at least we get 2 FIFA 16 or 17. And Zombie. Wow. I was about to unpause this, show you. This is pack at least worth showing you. It's just an 83 rated average board drop. But this was just a flashlight. We get this Inform 81 player from Manchester City. Wait, what? It's weird. Oh, dang. No. Him. This guy looks like clffrezy, if you know him. And this World Cup player looks like I'm gonna keep that back. Even though I'm not gonna use it, I'll just sell it anyways. Nope, never mind. I was gonna show you this. Oh, we got a left forward. Those are really hard to get in this game. And Team of the Year. But I'm not gonna use it back, so it doesn't matter. Oh, the orange is an expected man of the match. Oh my god, we just got a Bamier. 99, 96 up. I apologize. I thought you 99 pace. And we get Rodriguez, which I'll sell for much this time. A Bamier. 10k. He sells for 10k. I'll keep that actually. Be back in the next Jason pack. When we get it purple, the next pack. I suppose this is the next pack. Look at the coins. Wow. 87. I'm on my couch, so I'm scratching it. Deli Alley. Gustavo, World Cup player. Not. Oh, this guy. So it's what. You know, what's not up about this game? It's so cheap. I mean, I'm never gonna use him, but he only sells for 43k. I'm actually gonna keep them. Okay, no, never mind. Bye. See you. That was such a pity. Get it? Dun dun. Jingle bells, jingle smells. Yep, that horrible singing got it out. Look at this pack. 3 World Cup players. A team of the season, team of the year. I named 4 and Giroud, I guess. Below it. How much is this pack worth? I'm gonna keep this then because it's not even that much. Come on. Last pack, give me something good. Wow. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this because these packs are trash. I'm titty. We have 40 about me. Well, that's the pack opening. And that's it. Wait, open one of these. Get back when this thing ends. Oh, it's probably gonna block this off, edit it off. Make it go on for 60. No, I think that's quick selling. Let me see. No, that's not going to sell it. Never mind, I'm just going to sell it. Well, that's the video done. See you guys in the next one. Bye.